those bikes.
But I didn't think they'd take Ollie into the Forbidden Forest.
Just hang on. Oh, and don't mind Fluffy. His barks are worse than his bites. No, don't panic. I'll just, oh no. Looks like you've lost power. I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo.